Today I'm going to give you the perfect answer for when a woman hugs you. Many men don't realize it, but a hug can mean much more than a simple greeting or display of affection. In fact, it can be a powerful indicator of attraction. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 4 main types of hugs and explain exactly how you should react to each one, so you never miss an opportunity again. A hug goes far beyond the physical contact associated with friendship or affection. In the context of attraction, it works almost like a silent signal, a way for a woman to test your reaction, express interest, or even create a moment of emotional connection. The big problem is that most men don't know how to interpret these subtle signs, and as a result, they end up letting valuable opportunities slip away, projecting an image of disinterest, lack of confidence, or worse yet, total ignorance about the dynamics of attraction. A hug isn't just about physical proximity, it's a silent communicator, capable of revealing feelings and desires that she might not have the courage to put into words. The duration, the pressure, and even the positioning of the bodies during the hug can say much more than any conversation. That's why it's essential to understand these gestures and learn how to respond in the right way. Let's get straight to the point. The 4 types of hugs and what each one really means. First, the friendly pat. This is the most casual hug of all. It lasts only 1 or 2 seconds, with a slight lean of the torso, almost no chest contact, and it usually comes with a few pats on the back. It's a warm gesture, but entirely platonic, common among friends or acquaintances. If a woman hugs you this way, it's very likely she sees you only as a friend, not as a romantic option. But hang on, don't get discouraged. This can actually be your starting point for building more attraction. From there, your focus should be on creating moments of closeness, emotional tension, and chemistry to get out of the dreaded friend zone and open the door to something more. Second, the firm hug. This type lasts a little longer and has a noticeable firmness in the way she wraps her arms around you. It's not just a quick greeting. It conveys comfort and familiarity. But be careful. This still doesn't necessarily mean she's attracted to you. What's the right response in this case? Don't pull away too quickly. Hold the hug for a second longer than she expects and observe her reaction. If she smiles, maintains eye contact, or stays relaxed in your arms, that's a great sign that she feels good around you. This is the moment to keep building the connection, without rushing and without forcing anything. Third, the prolonged hug. Now things start to get more interesting. When the hug lasts longer than what's considered normal, when she doesn't seem eager to pull away quickly, that can be a clear sign of deeper attraction. If her body relaxes against yours, if she presses her chest slightly against you, that's a powerful indicator of both emotional and physical connection. Also, pay attention to her breathing. If it starts to slow down, if her hands stay longer on your back, that shows she's comfortable with your closeness. When you feel this kind of hug, never be the first to pull away. Wait for her energy. If she stays close, reciprocate with a subtle touch on the lower part of her back or with a gentle squeeze, letting the moment stretch out a little more. This simple but meaningful gesture can deepen the connection and show your confidence. Finally, the intimate hug. This is the most revealing one of all. She leans completely into you, rests her head on your shoulder or your neck. Her breathing becomes more noticeable, and she might even lightly caress your back. This is an unmistakable sign that she feels safe, connected, and very likely attracted to you. When faced with this kind of hug, never be in a hurry to end the moment. Hug her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and your presence. If she doesn't pull away, that could be an invitation for something more intimate. Pay attention to the subtle cues. If she tilts her head toward you, if she tightens the hug, or if she stays in your arms longer, it means she wants much more than just a friendly hug. If you notice these signs of attraction, don't let the moment slip by. Confidence is the key. Stay calm, be present, and respond without hesitation. The simplest way to deepen the connection is through subtle but natural gestures. A light touch on the lower back, a gentle squeeze, or maintaining eye contact as she pulls away. Avoid looking nervous or eager, and let your body language convey a quiet confidence. The next time a woman hugs you, Pay close attention. That seemingly simple gesture could be saying much more than any words. It could be her way of testing the waters, showing interest, or inviting you to come even closer. If you know how to read between the lines and respond with assurance, you'll never miss an opportunity again. And for you, what is the clearest sign of attraction in a hug? Leave your comment down below.